Yeah, I never thought I'd actually wash my trunk on a live stream. I'm glad you told me to clean it. It's all coming off. See, that's the thing, people it's so easy to say, just get rid of things, get rid. Not me. I like to you know that word where you I mean, the end of my tip is still red, but it's normal for the end of the trunk to be a bit sore, isn't it? A bit sore and red. That's better than it was. That'll do. I'm not gonna get it any better than that. It's fucking the end of like I said, the end of the trunk's a bit red, but it's better. Where can it live in the streaming room then? Shall we have it on the desk? Shall we have it down here, or is that too much going on? Is that too much? Having him there. Shall we have him on there? Shall we have him on the unit or the desk? Oh, windowsill, someone said. That could be a fucking shout. That's the one. That's the one, innit? That's the one.